guys, we made it to the waterfall, Waterfall Falls. Woo! This is what it's all about. Little short hike, 2-hour drive from New York City. And they said you couldn't get nature in New York. Now, they didn't really say that, but hey, here's the proof. Woo! Guys, this is what it's all about. Get out in nature, go explore, upstate New York. Woo! Waterfall Falls! Yeah! Yeah! Guys, the view doesn't get much better than this. So we pretty much hiked from all the way over here across so we can get a little bit of blockage from